It's time to make things easier by watching this video about making money online. What it takes to do well in online business is knowledge, determination and perseverance. If you have these latter two qualities, then knowledge is all you need to add to your arsenal. The ideas in this video will guide you through the process of learning how to make money online. If owning your own blog is a bit too time-consuming, but you would still like to write and earn money, think about creating videos for existing blogs. There are a number out there, including weblogs and pay-per-post. With a little research and a bit of initiative, you could get set up with one of these sites and start earning money in no time. Are you a grammar nut? Do you understand the nuances of the English language? Consider working as a copy editor. You can get paid to look over videos that were written by others, seeking out any errors in the work and then correcting them. The best part is that you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. Have different streams of income. It isn't easy to make money online. Things that work today might not work tomorrow. So diversify your talents and work on having a few smaller income streams rather than just one large one. By diversifying your income, you can have income even if one opportunity begins to underperform. If you want to get started making money online quickly and easily, clean out your closets, garage, attic and storage unit. Collect anything you do not want or need anymore and sell it through eBay or Amazon. Start with small, cheap items so that you can build up an online reputation through repeated positive customer feedback. If you are dedicated to making money online, you should be following blogs on the topic. You need to spend 20% of your time learning about the online market and 80% working through it. Blogs are a great way to find out about new opportunities or beneficial tips and tricks. Don't be afraid to make contact with real people, just because you're looking for money-making opportunities online. While most sites are self-explanatory and can be operated with little to no assistance, you can find out more about legitimacy by conducting conversations with site owners or other employees. If you don't hear back anything, that could be a red flag. Now that you know how to make money online, your next step is to implement your new knowledge. Set forth and be determined to turn your skills into something profitable. If you work hard enough, you'll have no problem making money online every day that you sit down and work. Student loan.